Now let us study what is pH scale. So in 1909, Sorensen, the scientist Sorensen has devised a scale known as pH scale where the strength of acid and base can be measured. So the strength of acid and base can be measured by using a scale of numbers known as pH scale. So the strength of acid and base can be measured by using a scale of numbers known as pH scale. pH means power of hydrogen. pH means power of hydrogen. So in this scale, the numbers starting from 0 to 14. So it ranges from 0 to 14. So it starts from 0 and ends at 14. So this is a scale of numbers. This is known as pH scale where the strength of acid and base can be measured. So in this case we can see a scale ranges from 0 to 14. Here the strength can be measured by making use of hydrogen ion concentration. So hydrogen ions concentration in solution is actually measuring. So by making use of hydrogen ion concentration in solution, the pH scale has been devised. So by making use of hydrogen ion concentration in solution, the pH measurement has been taken place. So in this case, there are numbers from 0 to 14 and in the middle we can see the number 7. That 7 is for neutral substances or neutral solutions. So neutral solution has pH 7, and if it is less than 7, that is acidic solution. So all acidic solutions has pH between 0 to 7. So if it is more than 7, that is 7 to 14, it will be a basic solution. So basic solutions has pH from 7 to 14. So between 7 and 14 is the pH range of basic solution. So 7 is the pH of neutral solution. So in this case we can see below 7 there is increasing acidic nature, that is from 7 to 0. So pH is actually inversely proportional to pH is inversely proportional to hydrogen ions. So pH is inversely proportional to hydrogen ion concentration. So if hydrogen ion concentration is more, we can say that pH will be less. That is the meaning of inversely proportional. So hydrogen ion concentration is more, pH will be less, or hydrogen ion concentration is less, pH will be more. So in this case, increasing acidic nature means it is between 0 to 7, or if it is less than 7, the solution will be acidic in nature. So the increasing acidic nature is actually from 7 to 0. So let us take one example. If a solution has pH, if a solution A has pH 6 and solution B has pH 8. So which is having more hydrogen ion concentration, and we have to say which is acidic and which is basic. So this is a question. So a solution A has pH 6 and solution B has pH 8. So which is having more hydrogen ion concentration? So we have studied that pH and hydrogen ion concentration are inversely proportional. pH and hydrogen ion concentration are inversely proportional. Since pH is 6 and pH is 8. In both these cases, we can see that hydrogen concentration is different. In the case of A, hydrogen concentration is more, and in this case hydrogen concentration is less. Since pH is 6 in this case, pH is lower in the case of solution A, so it has more hydrogen ion concentration. So considering A and B, solution A has more hydrogen ion concentration since its pH is less than B. And which is acidic and which is basic? Solution A is acidic and solution B is basic. Why? If it is less than 7, the solution is acidic. If it is more than 7, it will be basic. So in this case, solution A has pH 6, that means it is less than 7. So this is an acidic solution. Solution B has pH 8, it is more than 7. So it is a basic solution. So solution B is a basic solution. So A is acidic and B is basic. So from pH scale we have to notice that hydrogen concentration and pH are inversely proportional. When pH is more, we can say that hydrogen concentration is less. So in the case of acidic solutions, if a solution has pH 2 and a solution has pH 3, the solution has pH 2 will be having more hydrogen concentration. So increasing acidic nature is in this side, and so pH, if pH is 2, we can say that the hydrogen concentration is more than if pH is 3. So pH and hydrogen ion solution, hydrogen ions in solution or the concentration of hydrogen ions are inversely proportional. pH ഉം hydrogen concentration ഉം inversely proportional ആണ്. pH കൂടുന്നു എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ hydrogen concentration കുറയുന്നു. pH കുറയുന്നു എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ hydrogen concentration കൂടുന്നു. So hydrogen concentration കൂടുന്നു എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ acidity കൂടുന്നു. എന്നാൽ pH കുറയുന്നു. So pH കുറയുമ്പോഴാണ് acidity കൂടുന്നു എന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്. So pH scale is by measuring pH. So it is actually a number. By measuring pH we can say the strength of acid and base solution.